Hi, my name is Zenzele Dlamini. I'm a sales executive at Amasondo Motors. Now, here next to me is a 2019 VW Polo Vivo 1.4 Trendline. I'm going to tell you the features of this vehicle inside and outside. Starting from the outside, it comes with central locking, a media player with phone connectivity, and it also comes with power steering with a 14-inch steel rims with factory hubcaps. Going inside the vehicle, it comes with two front electric windows. It also has air conditioning and heating. Now, the selling price of this vehicle is $189, and estimated installment is 3,700 Rand. Now, if you want this vehicle or interested in this vehicle, you can contact me on 076 799 8012. You can go to our website www.amasondomotors.co.za, or you can go to our Facebook page at Amasondo Motors. Amasondo.